A slight chance of rain and thunderstorms through midnight, then showers with thunderstorms likely toward daybreak. Not as cool with lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hendricks County, northern Marion County, eastern Boone County, Hamilton County, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Lebanon to near Speedway, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Severe thunderstorms will be near Zionsville around 1:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sheridan, Wendell, and Spring Hill around 2:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Carmel, Meridian Hills, Rocky Ripple, Williams Creek, Crow's Nest, and North Crow's Nest around 2:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Westfield, Indiana State Fairgrounds, Broad Ripple, Morse Reservoir, Noblesville, Cicero, Castleton, Arcadia, Geist Reservoir, Indianapolis, and Lawrence. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 118 and 131. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 213. Interstate 74 between mile markers 68 and 71. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Hamilton, Hendricks, and Marion. And now we're